Namaste. This is your daily AI Baba trademark forecast for Wednesday, the 11th of June 2025. Let's unlock the secrets of your day together. First up, the top 3 zodiac signs shining bright today. Tula or Libra, you are the star. Your skill in balancing emotions with logic will open exciting doors, especially in important talks. Just don't rush those money choices and keep your words gentle. Mesh, that's Aries. Your energy is fierce today, but don't let your temper get the better of you. Unexpected recognition might be coming your way. Health tip: keep yourself hydrated and stay grounded. It's also a great day to dust off those old goals and revisit them. Dear Pisces, intuition is your superpower now. You might feel extra reflective or spiritually tuned in. Connect with water or even some art if you're looking for clarity. And try not to overthink the small stuff. Now about today's weather, not just outside but in your energy. Morning might feel a bit slow, perfect for planning tasks. By afternoon, creativity takes off, so let those ideas flow. Evening brings deep insights and a sense of closure. The moon's transit might make you a bit anxious, so remember to pause and breathe. If your birthday is today, happy birthday. You're a visionary, magnetic, unique, sometimes challenged but always rising. This year, AI Baba trademark says, courage and deep healing are your allies. Trust your instincts but check with a mentor before big steps. Facing tough times? Maybe work feels stuck or relationships unclear. Today the stars say, avoid impulsive actions, at least until after lunch. Try journaling or meditation for clarity. Most important, be kind to yourself. The universe really is listening. A few quick do's and don'ts. Do speak mindfully. Journal your emotions and goals. Hydrate and clear your space. Don't overshare personal matters. Don't delay important messages. And please don't skip breakfast. Planetary vibes. The moon in Cancer brings deep emotions. Mercury's angle with Saturn helps you communicate with discipline. Rahu is still active, so stay away from gossip and manipulation. Today's lucky color is emerald green, and your best time is from 11:30 a.m. to 1:00 p.m. If you found this useful, like, share, and subscribe for more. May your day be full of alignment, peace, and conscious choices. This is AI Baba trademark, where ancient stars meet digital wisdom.